So what is the connection with personal growth and personal finance? I'll let Brad, a financial coach and model, answer this. What is up, Money Tribe? Mike the Mazo here, helping you make sense of dollars. How You Money is a series of interviews exploring individuals' financial journey. So guess where I'm at? Chipotle. Let's take a wild guess who I'm interviewing for How You Money. It is Brad.
I think it was a combination of being passionate about the material and then advice from friends, because I was looking for a career path and my friends all said, you'd be good at coaching. But then when I asked what kind of coaching, they would say, well, not really spiritual, not really physical, like you like these things, but it's not really you. But all my friends said something with money. You're really analytical, you're very helpful with finances and helping people save and yourself save, so something like that. And then when I found financial coaching in opposed to financial advising, I was hooked. I knew this is what I should be doing. Number one money hack is my mindset. I mean, there's nothing simple. It always comes down to opportunity cost. And so for me, I always try and think, what am I giving up by getting this? What is the value I'm exchanging? I'm exchanging this money, I'm exchanging this time, but what am I getting back? And what am I forgoing? Because if I'm spending $100 on something that's not gonna bring back a big return, then what am I giving up? Could I be investing that? Could I be in meeting people up for coffee or going to an event or doing something that will bring a greater return? So always having that mindset is what leads me in every decision I make. Some of my biggest inspirations are obviously Dave Ramsey, because I'm a Dave Ramsey preferred coach, but way before that were my parents, who they're immigrant parents. They grew up always living within their means. When they came to the US, debt was frowned upon, and they always encouraged education. That is the only debt, or is that the only thing that they would really spend lavishly on, is education. And then of course, Robert Kiyosaki, where it took my level of knowledge to a different height, where now he's talking about good debt versus bad debt and ways to become financially independent through real estate and other investments. So between Dave Ramsey on the very conservative side, my parents on the conservative side, and then people like Robert Kiyosaki and Ramit Sethi and certain guys like that, they've really inspired me. I spend as much as I need to or want to on personal development. I am as passionate about personal growth as I am about personal finance, because I've seen the best results from it. I've lost weight, I've become a model, I've become more happy overall, just working in a career that I'm passionate about. Every day I'm excited. All these things have come from personal growth. So there's not a book or a seminar or anything that is too expensive, because the return on investment is higher than anything else. The best advice I've ever received is pretty much life is what you make it. You find what you seek, what you're looking for, and that just means look for what you want, not what you don't want. And when you take life by the horns, you actually are responsible for your decisions and everything that's going on in your life, then you're in control, you're empowered. So it goes hand in hand with life happens for you, not to you. And when you accept that, then life is your oyster. On a ridiculously level, it would be Donald Trump, because he's just so fascinating, and I'd love to hear his answers, just because he's such a wild card that I'd love to hear it. And then on a personal level, more realistic level, I would say my buddy JJ Michaels, who just manifests things. He's just such a great manifester, and he's all about investing in his health, which has turned into spiritual awakening and so many other things. He's such an inspiring guy, but I'd love to hear what his answers would be. What am I up to? Well, I'm up to eating Chipotle. I'm always up to that. I'm up to creating content for my YouTube station, supporting my wonderful girlfriend, and growing every single day, because that is the thing that makes me so excited, is knowing that tomorrow I will be slightly smarter, slightly more awoke, slightly healthier, whatever, than I was today. I'm on TikTok and Instagram under I am Bradley Jarryd, Jarryd, or the Millennial's Guide to Money on YouTube.
Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite order is from Chipotle, and gently like, that thumbs up, and don't forget to high five that subscribe. Check this video right here that YouTube recommending. Lastly, stay legendary, and I will see you in the next video.